just rolled up on scene here, so I'm gonna set you guys on the deck. Ethan's gonna take over the filming from here. Well, this thing is clean, man.
It does look clean.
Rebuilt motor, underneath's all completely done. The only thing I need to do is here. Ooh. You ready?
Yeah.
Ride that brake a little bit because we're downhill. I don't want you to run over.
Okay.
Just start running away. We go ahead and put it in neutral, and I'll have you steer it up there. Steer left a little bit. Parked a little far away. That's how you know I'm not right. You ready? Make them do that. That way the car is secure. They don't go winch cable brakes. Something's still holding it here. Nobody gets ran over. This bed can be slick, so walk down the steps. You gonna roll this window up?
Yeah.
He's at the house. Yes, sir. Let me verify the address real quick.
18.
Get the shot of that undercarriage, man. This thing is so clean underneath. He just got done redoing all the suspension and undercarriage. Sure, she's got some rust bubbles. Golly, man, it's clean. This truck. Oh, very well. Yeah, you go ahead, bud. Yeah, you can go ahead.
You'll drive.
This thing dropped off in this fella's back here in his garage. A little tight space, so I'm actually glad we brought Sean's truck and was able to get back here and get it in his garage for him, because this is on an incline and that would have sucked to push it, but we got him taken care of. And take a look at his car, man. He's restoring it and he's doing a great job. Got a new motor in it, all new undercarriage. You want to tell him a little bit about what you done to it, man?
Sure, tell them what you done to it. Right now we found out that the spark plug wires went on all the way. Because I realized now why you couldn't, because you're an older man with big hands. You couldn't get it all the way in there and push it all the way on.
Gotcha.
And even I'm having trouble now putting it on.
How much work you done to the car?
With this right here, oh man, you got the, well, I ain't got no. Anyway, the before picture was all rusted, matted, like I say, like an eighth of an inch, at least an eighth of an inch. Road, removed all that, grinded it all down, sanded it smooth, and then you had some undercoat and stuff. I pretty much did the whole underbody. Redid it all. Yeah, it's right, it's clean, right. I appreciate it. They kept it at the muffler shop for a while because of that. Yeah. Next one I gotta do is the Monte Carlo.
So it's got what, 350, 355 in it?
355.
Small block.
Yeah, just a handyman. ING shorty.
Right.
Everything.
Well, y'all got a nice car, man. I appreciate towing it. See y'all. Y'all be careful.
See you, brother.
I took care. All right.
That's going to be the end of that one. Make sure we put the truck back the way the operator is. That's not my preference, but that's the way he keeps it, so I'll put it back the way he keeps it. For that, we're gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share. See you next time. Okay, bye.